Our ideas have the power to change the world. But you might believe, like many people, that your ideas don't matter. That whatever you want for the economy, climate change or human rights, you don't have the power to influence things. Well, actually, your ideas do matter. In 2021, the European Union launched the Conference on the Future of Europe, an ambitious and efficient solution that allows everyone to be heard by Europe's decision-makers. It all started on an interactive website where anyone could share ideas and solutions on major issues. And people spoke up, posting thousands of ideas and comments. Meetings were organized, and we're not talking a few meetings in Brussels. We are talking about more than 5,000 events in 27 countries, bringing together 450,000 participants. News of the project spread across Europe. Panels of citizens were brought together, formed to truly reflect Europe's population. People from across the continent, from all generations and backgrounds.
The government interested in our opinion.
After debating the most popular ideas, participants took them to the next stage, transforming them into something stronger, a set of recommendations to be presented and discussed with the EU's decision-makers. Now it's their task to turn these ideas into actions. Thousands of citizens' ideas, 200 recommendations for actions, one goal: a better future for Europe.